G'day, Johnny G, Naked Racer Moto Co. Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about this beauty. And this is a 1948 Indian Chief Roadmaster. As you can see down here, got the Roadmaster badge, which was the highest model that you could buy at the time. And you can see this one here is adorned with just about everything that you could buy. So there's the crossbar, this is the windscreen bar. The windscreen's not on it at the moment. We've got the Indian branded spot lamps, the fender tip, the crash bars, the buddy seat, which is for two. And you can see these are little footboard extensions for the pillion to put their feet on. Rear crash bars. And we've got here the scoot boot, and this is quite a rare accessory. It was available back in the day. They're metal. That's where you put your stuff. It just finished the bike off nicely, I thought. This one's also got these little Nerf bars and some extra lights on the back here. The fish tail, pretty much nothing else you could add. So the 1948 model was really the last year for the girder fork. They didn't make any in 49. And in 50, when Indian Chiefs came back in the market, they ran a telescopic fork right through to the end in 1953. So you can see over here, that's why I've left these bikes out here. You can see the leaf spring on the early ones. That's how Indians were from right back, Power Plus, even pre-Power Plus. They ran a leaf spring from about 12 onwards. And then, you know, they went to a girder in 46, 47 and 48. And then in the 50, when they came back, they came out with a telescopic fork. We believe, or I believe, this is the best handling one. They're just very precise, very nice to ride. They've got the better look. And I've always loved them. 47's my pick. This is a 48. They're a bit prettier up here with a nicer dash and the more modern speedometer. But you know, what a lovely bike. Let's get it out on the road, see how it goes, and we'll have a bit more of a chat about it out there. Like all good Indians, left-hand throttle, left-hand foot clutch. Let's see. Third gear. Beautiful. Skipping the shift up this one. There's a little bit of adjustment. Bug in the eye. All right, guys, thanks for watching. As a little side note, these beautiful bikes here, 30s bikes, are off to Germany. They've been purchased by a client over there, so we'll be crating them shortly. If you're in the market for a nice Indian, remember Naked Racer Moto Co, that's where they're at. This one here is for sale. It just come onto the market this week, and it's a great buy. So if you're interested, come down, have a look and see what we've got. So remember to like, follow and share, guys. Thanks for watching, appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video. Adios.